You are watching FaheemShaheen, Learn and Talk. Alphabet Stories D. Dan and the Dog. Story by FaheemShaheen. Dan did not like dogs because dogs were a danger. So he did not like dogs. Dogs can scare you. But one day, Dan's dog got a dog. Now Dan does like dogs. Dan plays with his dog all the day. Dan's dog likes to dress up. Dan's dog eats from his dish because he likes dogs now. Dan's dog digs in the dirt. Dan did not like dogs. Dogs were a danger. Dogs can scare you. Dan's dad got a dog. Now Dan does like dog. Dan plays with the dog all the day. Dan's dog likes to dress up. Dan's dog eats from his dish. Dan's dog digs up in dirt. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.